This is through the pressure difference, a valve that controls the opening and closing of the disc. Its basic structure is body, bonnet, multiple discs, levers, pins and seals. Valve discs rotate around the pin shaft. The passage is designed to be streamlined. To reduce flow resistance, it is mainly used to prevent medium backflow. 1. Working status. I. When the forward flow, the medium pressure pushes the disc to rotate around the pin to open, and the fluid passes through the valve. B. When flowing in reverse, the medium pressure decreases or backflows. The valve disc closes quickly under the action of gravity or spring force, preventing backflow. 2. Design advantages. A. Reduce hydraulic impact. Multiple small valve discs close in stages, avoiding the water hammer effect caused by simultaneous closing. B. Adapt to large diameter. Suitable for pipes above DN 600. Reduce the impact of valve disc weight on the sealing surface. 3. Application scenarios. A large diameter pipeline. For example, petroleum, chemical, water conservancy projects. B. High pressure system. With working pressure up to 42 MPa. Temperature range from -196 degrees Celsius. The above introduction. It is all Xianfeng valves. Multi-disc swing check valves. Basic structure and working principle. Dear you, if you are interested, please add WhatsApp 86-137-9524-4661. Thanks for your attention. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.